Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your photos or video into an event, then place a chosen clip into the timeline so you can apply Ken Burns immediately. Once done, make sure your project frame is set to the correct aspect ratio because Ken Burns will conform to that. You'll want simple organization. Use a keyword collection so you can find the clip fast. Now select the clip in the timeline or browser and prepare to open the video inspector. That's where the Ken Burns controls live. You open the inspector and choose crop, then Ken Burns to reveal start and end frames. That's how you define motion. Drag and resize each frame to control zoom and pan, move the start frame where you begin, then set the end frame where you want the viewer to land. Make sure to preview playback because timing matters. You can split the clip to change speed or adjust keyframes. If edges look off, use Fit to reset and then reapply a refined crop. You finish by timing the motion. Shorten the clip to speed up the pan, lengthen it to slow down the zoom. Once done, refine timing with the precision editor or add position/scale keyframes for complex moves. That gives you exact control over easing. Export when satisfied and make sure to render heavy clips for smooth playback. If you see jitter or cropping issues, check overlapping keyframes, confirm scale doesn't exceed 1000%, and render again. That usually fixes artifacts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.